I'm taking question number 4 now. I'll draw a histogram. Question number 4 is there. So apartment is given and following table gives the distribution of people living in an apartment building. Construct the histogram of the following data. Now see, one thing is given, you can find in some graph, there's a kink drawn. Kink means that you are having some thing that is not started from zero. So how to draw that? First we draw a vertical line. You have to draw this in graph. I don't have a graph here to show you like this. You will draw a horizontal line. Now what you will show here? On this you will show the class mark. That means what are the class marks you are having? This will be 0. This will be what? 20. Then what next is? So we can say 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. You make like this. Equally distributed, you make it. Then what? On the vertical side is what? It is. So what should you write here? What you write at the bottom? You write. Our line has got wavered. This is not good. Let's take a proper line. At least we can draw a straight line. That is possible for us. Wavered, actually there was some shifting and tilting. That's why this was happened. Okay. Then what? Now see here 20-20 each is difference is there. So I'll draw like this. This is our 0. Okay, no problem. And this is what? This is 20, let it be. This is 40 then. This way only you will draw. You can take a finite division. So 0, 20 I have drawn now, 40 I have drawn now. That is what? You get equal as 60, this will be our 80 and this will be our 100. This will be our 120. Okay. See, I have used a scale, that's why it's looking small and it should be ideally small only. Draw arrows there. And what is the vertical side? It is till 20 it is given. So you can take a scale like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, like this you can take the scale. And then what? Let's name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has to be down the scale. 8. I got it a little far because we have drawn to scale, so it should come properly and correct also. This is 1. And what all data we need? 5 we need, 5, 15, 20. So we need 2 first. This is our 2. I'm drawing with the highlighted one, 2. Then we need what? We need 5, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our 5. I'm highlighting that. Then we need what? 13. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is our 13. Then 15. 14 and 15. This is our 15. 15. Then what we need? 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay then. Now our first 0 to 20 is for 5. Then you draw a vertical line from 0 to and then start from here like this. This. That means from 0 to 20, you draw till where? 5. Then 20 to 40 is till where? 15. So extend like this, vertically, and like this, till where you go? Till the same line of 15. Then 40 to 60 is from where? 20. Extend it here again, till come the same straight line 20. Okay then. Next is 60 to 80, 13 only. So see, draw a line from here. See, they all are overlapping on one another. This one is the typical characteristic of a histogram. 80 to 20 is only 80 to 100 is only 2. Okay, so this is our histogram, and we need to represent few things. So what is we are showing on the y-axis? Let us call this as y. This is our x. Y is showing what? Age in years. So write it like this. Age in years. Then what is on the vertical side? Sorry, on the this is age in years and number of people. So this is number of people. You'll invert your copy and write like this. So this makes it complete. Few more things you should have to write. Yes, we'll write the frequency also. So like 0 to 20 is 5. So write here 5. Then 20 to 40 is 15. So write here 15. Then 40 to 60 is 20. We write here 20. Then 60 to 20 is how much? 13. So write here 13. Then 80 to 100 is how much? 2. So write here 2. And these dotted lines you can remove obviously because these are not required. Okay, so that is the solution for this one. Basically, histogram is the new thing here. आगे लिखना होगा सब नाम. Then and taking the 8th question. See, one more formula that I should have told is called as range. Range. I gave the class interval 0 to 10. What is the range? Range means the maximum value minus minimum value. Suppose you find out the range of something, what will you do? Basically, you will range is basically, suppose some values are given to you, so maximum value minus minimum value. That will be called as range. Okay, that is the whatever observations we are having from that, the maximum value minus the minimum value. Now let us take up the question number 8, that is also based on histogram only. Histogram shows the time spent in minutes by a group of students listening to the music on at V. Find the number of students who spent 10 to 20 minutes. First part. See, 10 to 20 minutes. From the pie chart you can see between 10 to 20 how many are there? 15 students are there. So 15 students. This is what? Interpreting a histogram. Then second part is what? Second part is saying find the students who spent 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more means this will include the students who are spending 30 minutes and above it. So how many are spending 30 minutes? That means 30 to 40. That means 30 minutes is minimum. That means 30 minutes they should spend definitely. It will be what? 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Okay. So it will be what? Equal to 30 to 40. How many are there? 20. 20 students plus. How many are there in 40 to 50? 18 students. Plus, how many are there in this 50 to 60? 25 students. So 8 plus 5, 13 and 3 and 2, 1, 3 and 2, 5, 1, 6. 63 students. Third part. Find the students who spend 40 minutes or more. 40 minutes or more means they spend 40 minutes. That means what? You start from which class interval? 40 to 50. 40 minutes or more. Means you start from the which interval? 40 to 50 and then 50 to 60 and so on. So 40 to 50 is how much? 18 students. And next is 25. So 40 to 50 is 18 and 50 to 60 is how much? 25. That means 8 plus 13, 3, 1, 40 is the student. And fourth part is what? Fourth part is saying find your students who spend less than 50 minutes. Less than 50 minutes. Means what? Below 50 you have to go. That means 40 to 50. What will you got? 7 plus 15 plus 14 plus 20 plus 18. 7 plus 15 plus 14. 20 plus 18. What is how this? 8, 4, 12 and 5, 17. 17, 3, 20 and 4, 24. 24 will be 4 and 2 carry. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 5, and 6 and 7. So it will be what? 74. That is the thing. 40 minutes or more means what? 40 minutes minimum. Means 40 to 50 and then so on. 30 minutes or means you will not take 20 to 30, you will take 30 to 40 first and then so on. This is the answer for this. Let's complete this chapter exercise.